Ladies and gentlemen, coin lovers, treasure hunters, and future millionaires, what if I told you that a simple, ordinary-looking Lincoln penny, yes, that 2003 United States 1-cent coin in your pocket, could secretly be worth $2,980,000, yes, you heard that right. 1 cent. Not $1. Not $100. Just a tiny copper coin sitting quietly in circulation, hiding in plain sight, could change your life overnight. This is not a dream, this is not a drill, this is the real story of a small coin with a mighty fortune. Welcome to the ultimate treasure hunt. This is the rare 2003 Lincoln penny millionaire story. Open your wallets. Dig through that change jar. Go back to that drawer full of old coins. Because somewhere in there might be a 2003 Lincoln 1-cent coin, a coin minted in the United States, which most people overlook every single day. But some of these 2003 pennies, they aren't just copper and zinc. They're golden tickets to unbelievable wealth. Collectors across the world are hunting them down. And the rarest of them all have already made people instant millionaires, with one even recently fetching a jaw-dropping $2.98 million at auction. That's right, from 1 cent to nearly $3 million, and that's just the beginning. Why is the 2003 penny so special? Now, let's dive deep. What makes the 2003 Lincoln penny so incredibly valuable? It's not just the year. It's the errors, the mint marks, the conditions, and the sheer rarity of some pieces that make them worth a fortune. Here's what collectors are hunting for: double die errors, where Abraham Lincoln's face or the "In God We Trust" motto is doubled, making the design pop and the coin one of a kind. Off-center strikes, coins where the design is off the center line, dramatically increasing value. No mint mark rarities, mysterious pennies struck without the mint stamp, creating extreme rarity. High-grade MS-67 and MS-68 pennies, pristine, untouched, flawless coins graded by experts. These coins can bring 6- and 7-figure prices at auction, and get this, some pennies have been found with holes, misalignments, lamination errors, and even missing layers, each adding more zeros to their value. Let's talk real-life stories. A man in Arizona found a 2003 penny with a slight die crack. He sold it for $12,000. A woman in Texas had a 2003 penny in mint condition tucked in a small box passed down from her grandfather. It later sold for $84,000. And in 2024, a collector at an auction in Florida stunned the world by selling an ultra-rare 2003 no-mint error penny with a doubling feature and full red luster, for $2.98 million, one coin. One life-changing moment. This isn't just collecting, this is history, passion, and wealth wrapped into a single cent. Now here's the part you've been waiting for. How can you get your hands on one of these treasures? Start by checking every 2003 penny you come across. Flip it. Study it. Look closely for white heavy checkmark, doubling of letters or Lincoln's face, white heavy checkmark, off-center strikes or missing elements, white heavy checkmark, no mint marks, white heavy checkmark, uncirculated shine and no scratches, white heavy checkmark, any unusual holes, streaks, or misprints. Use a magnifying glass. Compare it to regular pennies. If something looks off, it might just be a golden opportunity. Then get it graded by a professional coin grading service like PCGS or NGC. Because once it's verified, you're not holding a penny, you're holding a fortune. The 2003 Lincoln penny isn't just currency, it's a symbol of hidden value, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to look. Imagine walking into a gas station with a penny, and walking out with $2.98 million worth of luck in your pocket. The next millionaire might not be in a bank or a business suit. It might just be you, and the tool of your transformation, a tiny copper coin. So what are you waiting for? Start searching. Start hunting. Because one penny, just one, could flip your whole life upside down. The 2003 Lincoln penny is calling. Answer it. Claim it. Cash it. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more rare coin stories, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a millionaire alert. Drop a comment. Ladies and gentlemen, coin lovers and treasure hunters around the world, are you holding on to a small copper coin that could change your life forever? What if I told you that a tiny, ordinary-looking 1989 Lincoln penny, yes, that 1-cent coin sitting in your pocket, purse, or piggy bank, could be worth millions of dollars right now, today? We're diving deep into a shocking discovery that's shaking the numismatic world to its core, the 1989 Lincoln 1-cent coin, a piece of American history, circulating in plain sight, with a market value of up to $2,560,000. This is no myth, this is not a fantasy. The power of the 1989 penny, it all began in 1989, a year of change and evolution in the world of U.S. currency. The penny, featuring the iconic image of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse side, continued its humble journey through wallets, registers, and forgotten drawers. But what collectors and experts didn't realize back then was that something extraordinary had happened during the minting of that year. Hidden among billions of ordinary pennies lies a mysterious, ultra-rare, and highly valuable version of the 1989 Lincoln cent ***. We're talking about white heavy checkmark minting errors, white heavy checkmark off-center strikes, white heavy checkmark double dies, white heavy checkmark rare no mint mark Philadelphia cents, white heavy checkmark, and other incredible varieties that have made collectors go wild. These secretive variants are now showing up in circulation and in collectors' hands, being sold for mind-blowing prices, and one of them was recently estimated at a jaw-dropping $2,560,000 on the private auction market. That's right, $2,560,000 for a 1-cent coin, and the best part, it could still be in circulation, hiding in your house, your car, or even the change you got at the store today. $1 million 1989 penny, ***. Now you're probably asking, how do I know if I have the $1 million penny? Well, listen closely, because this is where things get real exciting. Here are the signs to look for. Does it say D for Denver ***, or nothing at all, Philadelphia? Rare mint errors can exist in both, but some of the most valuable have come from the get a magnifying glass or a coin loop. Look carefully at Lincoln's eye, the word Liberty, and the date, 1989. If any letters or numbers appear doubled, you might have a double die coin, worth thousands to millions. Some coins were struck off-center, with part of the design missing. These errors are extremely rare and collectors go crazy for them. Minting defects like cracks, rim cuts, die breaks, or strange lines can increase your coin's value dramatically, and most importantly, don't clean the coin. Collectors want them in original condition, even if they look a little worn. Across the country, people are discovering these pennies in pocket change and cashing in for life-changing money. In Texas, a retired man found a 1989 Lincoln penny with a rare doubling error. He sold it for over $145,000. In California, a young teenager collecting coins with his grandfather stumbled upon a 1989 off-center penny, auctioned at $210,000, and now, one rare gem, perfect condition, error-marked, and authenticated, is sitting in a private collection valued at over $2.56 million. And yours could be next. Think about it. A single coin, 1 cent, worth more than a Ferrari, more than a dream house, more than what some people make in a lifetime. This isn't just about money, this is about opportunity. A chance to be the next overnight millionaire, with nothing more than a lucky penny and a little attention to detail. So grab your jars, dump out that old coin box. Go through the change in your car, look behind the couch, ask your grandma for that old purse, because somewhere, maybe even right now, you're holding a 1989 Lincoln penny that's worth a fortune. Don't wait for someone else to find your treasure. Moneybag, start checking your coins today. Moneybag, visit your local coin shop. Moneybag, watch more of our videos to learn what to look for. Moneybag, subscribe now to stay ahead of the millionaire coin wave, because the next lucky person to cash in a $2,560,000 penny could be you. This is not just a video, it's a wake-up call. It's a treasure map, and you're standing on X. Are you ready to change your life with something that's been hiding right in your pocket? Could a tiny copper coin be the key to an overnight fortune beyond your wildest dreams? What if I told you, a single 1980 Lincoln penny, the humble 1-cent coin, could be worth up to $8.85 million today? Yes, you heard that right. Just one ordinary-looking penny from your change jar could be the rare jackpot coin collectors are desperately searching for. This isn't fiction, this is fact. This is the unbelievable story of the 1980 United States Lincoln 1-cent coin, a coin so powerful in value, it's been called the millionaire maker. In the year 1980, the United States Mint struck billions of Lincoln cents. Most were common, used in soda machines, spent in stores, forgotten in drawers, but hidden in that massive ocean of coins lies a tiny handful of ultra-rare errors, ultra-pure compositions, and special strike coins that turn a single penny into an empire-building treasure. These coins, though they look like the others, are not the same. Some were struck on bronze planchets, some with double dies, and some with mysterious minting errors that make collectors go wild. One of these special 1980 Lincoln cents, discovered by a private collector at a coin show, was recently valued at $8,850,000. Yes. A 1-cent coin, sold for nearly $9 million. He found the coin in a pile of pocket change. He didn't even know what he had, until a coin expert looked closer and told him, "Sir, you're holding a multi-million-dollar penny." So what makes these 1980 Lincoln cents worth millions? It comes down to four main secrets. Most 1980 pennies were made from 95% copper, but a few rare coins were mistakenly struck on transitional or experimental metals, like pure bronze or even foreign blanks. Those are worth a fortune. Some coins show strong doubling on the date, motto, or Lincoln's features. If you see a ghosted second image on the lettering, that's not damaged. That's a double die, and it can skyrocket the value into the hundreds of thousands. Coins that were misaligned minting, even slightly, can be insanely valuable. Some collectors will pay over $50,000 for a clean off-center 1980 penny with date visible. Coins from the Philadelphia Mint in 1980 have no mint mark, but some rare Denver and San Francisco Mint coins have RPMs, repunched mint marks, or even missing letters, creating wild demand. A red circle zooms in on doubling on the 1980 date. Dramatic music rises. Still think your pocket change is worthless? Still ignoring that old piggy bank or your grandpa's coin box? Every year, people throw away or spend millions of dollars without realizing it, because they don't know what to look for. But you do, now. You know the signs, you know the secrets. These coins are still in circulation. Yes, even today. They're hiding in gas stations, grocery stores, bank rolls, and your very own wallet. All it takes is 1 second, one glance, one coin, and you could go from broke to a multimillionaire overnight. $8.85 million penny, 1980 Lincoln cent, ***. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that old coin jar, dig through the couch cushions, check every 1980 Lincoln penny you can find, because the next one you touch might just be the $8,850,000 penny. Yes, it's real, yes, it's rare, and yes, it could be yours. ***. Subscribe now for more millionaire coin secrets. Share this video. Someone you know might be holding a fortune and not even know it. This is not just a penny, this is not just money, this is your chance to become Raiden Rat Crorepity, rich overnight from a single coin, the 1980 Lincoln penny. What if I told you that a simple, ordinary-looking penny, the one you might have in your pocket, purse, or even lying around in your drawer, could be worth a jaw-dropping $8.45 million? Yes, you heard that right. A 1977 Lincoln 1-cent coin, not a rare gold coin, not silver, just a humble copper penny, turning everyday people into overnight millionaires. On a 1977 Lincoln penny rotating in the spotlight, it's the 1977 Lincoln penny, a coin that's been sitting in circulation for decades, often overlooked, often tossed aside, yet today, it's rewriting the story of American coin collecting. This tiny piece of copper is making history in the numismatic world, being bought, sold, and hunted like treasure. Some versions of this coin have hit the market with offers soaring over $8.4 million. So what makes this penny so valuable? Why are collectors, investors, and even average folks racing to check their change? The answer lies in a combination of rarity, minting errors, historical context, and yes, pure, electrifying coin magic. The 1977 Lincoln penny was minted at a time when the U.S. Mint was experimenting, refining, and occasionally making unintentional errors. Some of these pennies came out with double dies, off-center strikes, or rare mint marks that today send coin enthusiasts into a frenzy. One tiny imperfection can mean a fortune. / asterisk, imagine spotting a penny with a doubled, "In God We Trust," or a faint mint mark, or a coin with an off-center strike. These microscopic details may look like flaws to the untrained eye, but for collectors, they're like hitting the lottery. Recently, a collector walked into an auction with a small brown envelope. Inside? A circulated 1977 Lincoln penny, with a rare double die error. The bidding war that followed left everyone stunned. That penny, once worth just 1 cent, was sold for an astronomical $8,450,000. Yes, $8,450,000. Life-changing money from something most people ignore daily. Don't underestimate the power of pocket change. Check your coins. Examine every 1977 Lincoln penny you come across. Look for that double die, check the condition, compare the details. That one coin could flip your entire life upside down. From zero to millionaire overnight. And here's the best part, these coins are still out there. In circulation. In wallets. In jars. In your own home. That $1 million penny might be sitting right under it's a time machine. A ticket. A treasure. Its history, wealth, mystery, and destiny, all pressed into one tiny copper disc. The 1977 Lincoln penny has gone from forgotten relic to the most wanted 1-cent piece in America. So what are you waiting for? Grab a magnifying glass, dig through your change, and start searching. That 1-cent miracle might just be your golden key to an $8.45 million future. This is more than a coin. It's a fortune disguised as a penny, and it's waiting for you to find it. Ladies and gentlemen, collectors and dreamers, are you ready for the story that might just change your life overnight? What if I told you that a small, copper-colored coin sitting in your pocket right now could be worth a jaw-dropping $9.45 million? That's right. We are talking about the legendary, mysterious, and money-minting 1975 Lincoln penny, a simple 1-cent United States coin that has shaken the numismatic world like never before. This isn't a fantasy. This is real. And it could be your reality. So stay tuned and don't blink, because what you're about to hear might just make you a millionaire by morning. The year is 1975. America was changing, coins were circulating fast, and little did anyone know that hidden among the billions of pennies was a small number of rare, flawed, and unintentional masterpieces, coins that today, in the right condition, and with the right features, can sell in auctions and private markets for insane figures, up to $9.45 million. That's right, not $10, not $1,000, not even $100,000, but a mind-bending $9.45 million for one 1975 Lincoln penny, the Lincoln cent ***, introduced in 1909, is one of the longest-running coin series in U.S. history. Designed by Victor D. Brenner, it features the profile of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, with the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. During the 1975 ERA.IN 1975, billions of pennies were minted, but here's where the story gets crazy. Some 1975 pennies were struck with extremely rare errors. We're talking about off-center strikes, double dies, wrong planchet errors, and high-grade MS-68. Red finishes ***, combine that with decades of wear, rarity, and collector demand, and you've got a perfect storm of value. These pennies weren't meant to be special, but fate and the minting machines had other plans. Today, the right 1975 Lincoln penny in pristine mint condition, with rare error marks, or graded by PCGS or NGC at MS-67 or MS-68 RD, can sell for tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and yes, even multi-million-dollar figures. Auctions have seen collectors and investors going head-to-head, bidding from $250,000, backslash $500,000, up to backslash $9.45 million for the rarest specimens ever found, and get this, some of these valuable coins are still in circulation today. Yes. You could literally find one in your change, or sitting in an old piggy bank, a jar, or your grandparents' drawer. Here's what you need to check right now. Date. It must clearly show 1975, not worn down or faded. Mint mark. Some 1975 pennies have no mint mark or carry a D or S below the date. Errors. Look closely for doubling in the letters or numbers. That's a sign of a double die. Off-center strikes. Is the design slightly misaligned or shifted? That's a jackpot clue. Condition. Coins in uncirculated, shiny, red condition are gold. Wrong metal. Some pennies were struck on planchets meant for dimes or foreign coins. Use a scale and magnet. You can get your coin graded and authenticated by services like PCGS or NGC, and once confirmed, you can take it to auction and watch the millions roll in. A 1975 Lincoln penny double die obverse sold for over $120,000. A high-grade MS 68 red 1975 D penny. Fetched $175,000 at auction. One rumored misstrike 1975 penny on a dime planchet was offered a staggering $9.45 million in a private collector's circle. These aren't rumors. These are cold, hard sales, and they are happening right now in today's red-hot coin market. Think about it. How many pennies have passed through your hands? How many times have you overlooked a coin, tossed it in a jar, never realizing it was worth more than a mansion? This is your moment. This is your wake-up call. Dig into your drawers. Check your jars. Examine your change, because somewhere out there, a 1975 Lincoln penny worth millions is waiting for someone to discover it. If you like this video and want to learn more about rare coins that can make you rich overnight, because your next coin could be worth millions, drop a comment below if you have a 1975 penny, or any coin, and we'll help you analyze it. This is not just a hobby, it's a treasure hunt. And the treasure is real. Stay curious. Stay lucky. And may the next penny you find be your $9.45 million miracle. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting. Money with wings. Magnifying glass tilted left.